In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Gmail. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right menu, click on Gmail. In the top right menu, click on this gear icon. In the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Accounts and Import tab. In the Send Mail As section, click on Edit Info. Here, you can change your name. Changing the name in Gmail may be necessary for several reasons. You might have recently changed your legal name due to marriage, divorce, or personal preference, and want your email to reflect your current identity. In professional settings, updating your Gmail name can help ensure that your emails appear more credible or aligned with your business brand. Additionally, correcting spelling errors or outdated usernames can improve clarity and make communication more effective. Now you can type your new name here. If you want, you can also specify a different reply to email address. Now if I click on Save Changes, it will change your previous name to the new one. Following these steps, you can change your Gmail name easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.